You guys, dun, 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 dun. We just got a package. What could it be? I think it's our stickers. I'm pretty pumped to see what these look like. What? Let me see.
Ta-da!
Oh, cool. They spelled it right too. Let's see, let's see. What are we putting it on?
I'm gonna put one on my coffee cup.
Nice.
Vinyl.
Yeah, so these are gonna be waterproof. Oh, there we have it. Carry on, Vagabond.
Let's go put one in the van.
Oh yeah, we should. Let's do that.
There?
Whoop. Yeah, I think so. Love it. Looking good.
Carry on.
Carry on. Good morning, Pistol. Good morning. Alright, guess what? It's time to go. Yeah. It's time to go. Let's do it. She's up, but she's not very awake. We are southbound out of Newport, Oregon.
It is 47 degrees and drizzly.
Yeah, it's very cold actually. We have 4 or 5 days to get down to the Pomona RV show, so zoom zoom.
Yeah.
Let the adventure begin.
Yep, gonna miss all the family and friends though.
Yeah, we are.
We'll see them soon.
We'll be back.
Yeah. All right, let's go have some adventures.
Roll out. Ooh, I wanna tackle that Instant Pot today. I did get that, and I found storage for it. So yay, go me.
Oh, the sun's starting to come up.
Oh.
We'll get it going on the bridge.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, roll out. Goodbye, Newport. This is called the Devil's Churn. This is south on 101. It's kind of rough today. It's so pretty though. time for
food.
Another hot cup of coffee at least. I did not sleep last night at all. I probably got 2 hours. I don't know why. I think it's because, well, I know
It's like
why.
Christmas.
No, I don't know if that was the feeling,
Anticipating.
but it's because we were leaving. I was making sure I had everything done, everything was ready, and which way are we going, what are we doing, what are we going to see. What a gorgeous drive down 101, too. That was incredible. It's just so wild and rough out there today. It's really pretty. Yeah, so we'll continue east on this highway and hook up with I-5, I think, shortly, right?
Yeah, and Sutherland, and we'll head south and see how far we get today.
Yeah. Okay, I'm feeling a little...
Stuffy.
Yeah, so I want something hot. I'm getting another cup of coffee. There's the girl. Look at you.
What are you wearing?
Look at your new scarf. I made that for her. She doesn't know whether she likes it or not, but it's cute. You're not spoiled at all, are you, girl? No. All right, coffee time. We made it to I-5 and we are down. We had to pull over in Roseburg. Yeah.
Roseburg.
We are hungry, so
Our good friends left us with some leftover crab cakes.
oh my gosh, they sent us on their way with 2 crab cakes. So we're gonna do crab cakes and eggs for breakfast.
We made it 3 hours without eating them.
We did, yeah. Yes. Oh, it's gonna be so good. And then I just did the pressure test on the Instapot for the first time, and I'm going to make an elk stew in that tonight, hopefully.
Stew.
Yeah, it's a good day for stew.
Stew.
It's gonna be so good. I hope it works.
She said,
Hi, baby.
I like stew.
Hi. You like
from the
crab
stove.
cakes, baby?
Come on. She says, I like anything.
She likes food.
Food. I like food.
She's like her mama.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Did I agree with that? I didn't agree with that.
You know it's true. Okay,
Hi.
apologies. I ate the crab cake before I could show you guys. Egg crab cake. It was delicious, just trust me. Thanks, Diane. I have a new camera. I wanted to tell you guys. So the beginning of this video, if you notice the footage is weird. It has like the black lines on the side. It's because I didn't have the settings correctly set yet. But I'm trying out a new camera and I think the audio is going to be a lot better.
I hope so. I'll try to speak up.
Let us know what you think. If it sounds better, looks better, or whatever, or if it looks the same.
You better tell them what you got.
Oh yeah, I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black. So the newest GoPro that just came out. It is waterproof straight out the gate. You don't have to put it in a waterproof case, which I love.
You can actually see what you're filming. It's got a screen.
Yeah, it's different than my Session I have. It does have a screen on the back side. So I can see. I can't see right now because I'm staring at it, but that's what's happening with the camera situation. We're testing out a new one to see if we like it. I hope we like it because we bought it.
So far, so good.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be great, actually.
Of course, none of this footage may actually be working, and we're just
Right.
talking to ourselves
Yep,
like we do a lot when the camera's off.
we do. That is what we do. All right, let's hit the freeway. I went into Safeway and got the ingredients I needed for the stew. Mostly I needed rolls. I had almost everything else. You cannot eat stew without some sort of bread, am I right?
No, it's too bad we don't have a little oven in here. It's kind of hard to get the whole camp oven and the propane stove out just to warm a roll up.
It's true.
We'll think
Yeah.
about that on the way south.
Oh, I could warm it up in a frying pan. Easy. We used to toast that way before we got our toaster.
True.
Yes, this can be done. Stay tuned. It's Instant Pot time. We're actually in a rest stop on the Oregon side, just before. About how far over the border are we? I mean, is California?
Half hour.
Okay, sweet. So we pulled over here. I think we're gonna spend the night here, and we're hungry, so I'm gonna make some stew. Let's see.
Tell them the recipe you got.
There is no recipe, so if you want a recipe, don't look to me. I have no idea what I'm doing. But it says saute. I kind of looked up that, so I'm gonna try and I'm gonna add some avocado oil, and I'm gonna brown the elk meat first. So that's gonna go in. I don't know if it's hot enough. Well, it's kind of warm. That's gonna go. Once this is done browning, I'm just going to add potatoes, celery, carrots, and onion. And my broth, which is just, I use this bouillon and tomato paste, and then some seasonings, and that is it. So I'll see if I can't tackle this. This is a little intimidating, this machine. There's quite a few buttons and a lot of different things you can do with this. We'll see how this goes. Okay, I think the meat's browned enough. I don't know, it looks brown, so I'm gonna go with that. So I'm gonna switch it over to, well, first I'm gonna put my stuff in, and then I'll switch it to meat and stew. Or do I switch it now? I'm gonna put these in first. Okay. Then I'll switch it. Give that a stir. And I was concerned about the size. I would normally make a giant pot of stew, but I really had to rein in the ingredients because I didn't want it to overflow. So I'll add my liquid. And I'm definitely could have used more. So that's good to know for next time. I can make it bigger. Because who doesn't want stew leftovers? I mean, that's why I like, it's always better the second day because everything kind of melds together. Okay, so now I put the lid on, right? It's kind of a contraption in itself. And it says lid on. It makes little circus noises. And I'm gonna put on meat stew. Oh wait, do I cancel that or? Cancel meat stew, and I want to do 30 minutes, and then I think it'll do what it's gonna do. This is in the sealed position. I think we're good. Oh, it's beeping. It's on. It's gonna start working. In 30 minutes we're gonna have stew. I better get to toasting those rolls. It's the final countdown. No. I can't wait.
You been drinking my wine or what?
No, I'm getting a head cold, so I am a little. I haven't taken anything for it. I'm just gonna tough it out. So I set it for 30 minutes, as you saw, and there is a waiting time when it comes up to pressure, which is about 10 minutes or so, I think. And also when it's done cooking, when the 30 minutes is over, it depressurizes or something. So that also takes maybe 10 minutes. So there is added time to that. It is really nice. I've made stew in here before. It was really nice not having a hot pot simmering and steam everywhere and using your propane. Yeah, and it's really not using a lot of energy at all. So yeah, it's working out. I can't wait. I have to tell you, it smells so good in here.
It smells really good.
And that started happening within 5 minutes. The smell. I don't know. It's like mad. There's voodoo going on in there. I can taste it already. It's gonna cure my cold too.
How are we gonna do the rolls?
I'm gonna throw them in the frying pan. Toast them.
Fried rolls.
Fried rolls and stew. Yeah.
I love van life.
Van life and a rest stop. Okay, it's done. And then this little thingy was up and it went down. And that's the indication that it's ready to open, I think. So I think you flip that to venting, maybe?
Well,
it doesn't need to because it naturally vented.
It naturally did it, yeah.
Okay. Now open, go that way.
Oh, I like the music.
I do too. It's like a Nintendo game. Whee!
Oh my gosh, that looks good.
Well, it looks more like soup, so I added too much liquid. Yeah, definitely soup. But you know, not bad for learning things.
Oh, that smells so good. I don't mind
Beef soup.
elk soup.
I mean, elk soup, yeah. Let's scoop it up and let's check out these rolls.
Well, if you think about it, usually when you make it, you do it in a pot
Yeah.
and it's steaming and
Yeah. Oh, the liquid's
the
escaping.
liquid's
That's true.
steaming away, and here it's not. So you
Yeah.
have to use much less.
That makes sense.
Oh, you're learning with us if you, most people probably already know all this.
It seems like everyone's
Got an Instant Pot. We're like the newbies.
So this is what I did to the rolls. I just threw them in the frying pan and then I just kind of rotated them, put tinfoil on them. Yeah, I made 6 of them. Don't judge.
Because I only want one.
Okay, so I'm eating 5. I know you're having more than one though.
Help too.
Let's do this, man.
All right.
Let's give it a go. It smells amazing.
I'm going to try a piece of everything to see the texture.
Oh yeah, because I don't know, is it overcooked? Is it cooked enough?
Oh, it's perfect. Everything's cooked, but it's not mushy.
Mmm. Oh, that's very hearty.
Hearty.
Oh man, that's gonna be good. I took a lot of broth because, you know, that'll help me. Mmm. I would say this was great success.
Definitely
What
learned
do you
a
say?
little less liquid because it doesn't steam.
Yeah.
Unless you want soup.
Tonight we wanted soup. I'm gonna take mine back to the bed and work on a video, and with any luck, you guys will be watching it in the morning.
I'm gonna sit here and eat it and drink some wine and watch her make a video. And if
With any luck, you'll be watching it tomorrow.
with any luck, we'll all be watching it tomorrow.
Yeah, he never knows what's gonna be happening.
Oh, since you probably already watched this, because how about that drone footage, huh?
Oh, yeah.
I haven't even seen it yet now, but you've seen it.
Yeah,
But at this time, this moment in time, I have not.
you have not seen it yet.
Yeah. Was it good?
It's gonna be good though, I bet. I'm thinking so. All right, see you on the other side.
Carry on.
Carry on.